Hi there, I'm Sneha and you are watching my channel Book Junction. Welcome to today's video. So because of the pandemic, we are spending much more time online on our computers, and the thing is, working and studying on a computer is very different. It can get extremely overwhelming because you are constantly exposed to so many distractions, and all these distractions are just a click away. So to help you stay productive, in this video I am going to share with you some Chrome extension tools that will help you to shut away unnecessary distractions, stay focused and be productive. So personally, I feel that this video will be useful for everyone, be it a student or a working individual working from home. So definitely stick around till the end because I'm sure you will be benefited. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then definitely consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me. Your support matters a lot. And now, without any further ado, let's begin. And I really hope that you will find this video valuable. Now, first of all, in case you don't know how to install a Chrome extension, so let me give you a quick example. So just go to Google, search the name of the extension, and when you get the search results, click on the one, and then you will get this interface, and from here click on add to Chrome, then add extension, and the extension will be added. You will find the extension on the upper hand side right corner, and by clicking there you can make all the different changes. So the first extension I want to recommend is Leo New Tab extension, and this one is used to make your Chrome tabs look prettier. So this is how it will look, the date, the time and a quotation, and it also has some other features that I absolutely love. I'll talk about them. So with every new tab you will get a new background, which is amazing because otherwise it gets very monotonous and boring, and every time you refresh your tab a new picture will come up. So that's amazing. So if you don't like the picture, you can just refresh the tab. Alright, so now let's talk about this note taker feature, which is amazing because you can just write everything down over here, any notes or your routine or just a place for brain dump, which is so important. So when you just open your computer, you can write down everything that's in your mind so that you can feel much more organized, and that's why I feel this is good. So for every tab this will be there, so you don't have to worry about losing all the notes. And right beside that you get the to-do list feature, where you can write down everything that you need to do in the form of a list, which is so functional. By the way, I have a video on how to make a good to-do list, and I will give the link of that video in the description, and you will find those tips very useful. Those are from a book by David Tracy. So as you get your work done, you can just tick off everything and then you can see the rest of the things that are left. So I think that feature is amazing. Now there are some settings as well, so some general settings, some settings about your background. You can use your own custom image, maybe your family picture or a simple background color. There are some other features for your clock, maybe a 12-hour clock or 24-hour clock. The best part is the Zen mode, where you will find all these different videos that you can play on your tab with a soothing background and a soothing music. These are from YouTube, so I cannot play it and show you for copyright concerns. But yeah, overall this extension is amazing. You can also use Momentum Chrome extension in the place of Leo New Tab. I like this just as much. I love this actually. So I keep switching between the two, and that's why I'm showing you both. So here you can write your name and your name will flash every time on every single tab. Then you can just sign in with your Google account. And you can add the main focus for your day, and when the work is completed you can take it off and add a new one. There's also a to-do list but not a note taker. So overall I love this one just as much, so you can choose for yourself. My next recommendation is Kami extension. This is for PDF files. You can add a PDF file and then you can do annotations, highlight or whatsoever. So you can add the file from Google Drive, from your computer or anything. So I'm just using this particular file that I added as a sample. So you can use the markup tool for highlighting sentences, so you can use different colors as well. So just like you do on your paper, you can do it with your PDF as well. Read the way you want to, study the way you want to, color code your notes, and this is so useful, and specifically these days because most of the studying is online and you have to like study from PDFs and all of that stuff. So this is extremely useful. Then you have this strike through feature with which you can just strike through any sentence or word which you don't want anymore. So just like you do it with a pen on your paper, you can do it on this PDF. So functional. Next to text highlighter, you have this another highlighter, a box highlighter, which will help you to like sort of highlight a bigger passage. So just by dragging it like a text box. This is particularly helpful when you have to highlight a big chunk or a big paragraph. You can also use the underline feature to underline sentences, just like pen and paper. So useful and functional while studying your notes. This particular feature is very useful, the comment feature. So with it you can just click anywhere and add a comment. So you can do this for any particular sentence or word. So maybe you can underline a particular keyword and then add a comment. So useful. So I guess if you are a teacher, it will be very helpful for you to add these comments for your students, or if you are a content writer or a copywriter, it will be very useful for you while you are writing things for your client and maybe your client is not understanding. Or if you're a student, you can do it for yourself as well, so that when you are studying the notes later on, you can just read the comments. So you can also highlight a particular sentence and then add a point or a comment, and of course you can color code everything, so everything will be so damn useful. So once you are done doing this, when you click on that particular point, that comment will be highlighted and you can read it. So useful and functional, right? You can also add a text box and then write in it maybe any extra notes or whatsoever it is. You can write it over there, and you can change the font color, you can change the font size, you can change the size of the text box. Just the way you do it with your paper, you can do all of that with your PDF with this extension. Moving on, we also have a drawing feature that will help you to doodle anything on the PDF. So this will be helpful for making diagrams or anything as such. And if you're not good with doodling anything or with the cursor, then you can use shapes, and you have also an eraser to erase anything that's unnecessary. So that's there. So you can use the shapes for making diagrams if you're not good with doodles. So you can use these lines to make those curves and those graphs, like we used to make those for economics, demand curves and supply curves and all those equilibrium things. Then you can make triangles for your geometry class. You can use circles to make Venn diagrams and so much more. You can change the color of these as well. So I think overall this is amazing for diagrams and for studying while you are going through a PDF. Next up, let's talk about Dual-less Chrome extension. This extension is very good when you have to do research. So you can just click on the Dual-less extension and then choose the size of different tabs. So you can use 2 different tabs all together simultaneously, and you can choose the size of each tab. So just like this, you can open 2 tabs and then research simultaneously. This is very useful when you have to go through 2 different websites and study all together. So I guess this is very useful for students again, or if you are a content writer and you have to research while you are writing the blog. If you want to focus on one particular tab, then you can change the size and you can make it bigger and read it properly and thoroughly. So I guess this is very functional. Next up, we have Google Keep Chrome extension, an amazing extension while you are going through a website and you have to make notes side by side. So just click on the extension and you will get this box kind of thing on the upper right corner, and there you can write all the points that you come across while you are reading a particular website, and you can add the title of the blog or whatsoever you want to add for you to understand later on, and the link is always added to that particular page. Now you can also highlight any sentence or paragraph and copy it, but you don't have to specifically paste it because you will find it there anyway without even pasting it. So that's amazing. Just highlight parts that you want and they will be present in the Google Keep thing by itself, which is stunning. When you are done, you can visit the Google Keep interface, and there you will find your entire thing, and you can write the rest of the blog right over here as well. There are some other features as well, and you can change the theme to dark theme. So here you will find all your notes and everything. So useful, right? Next we have Just Read Chrome extension. Again, very useful. Just keep watching, you will love this one as well. So with this extension you will get some features on the upper right hand corner, and you can change the theme of the website. Whichever website you are reading, you can change the theme to dark theme, which is so useful, especially if you're reading during night. And you can change the font size, which is so amazing because with websites you can't really do much, but you can change the font size as per your likings, and then you can also go ahead and change the font color, which is again so good because sometimes the white font is really annoying. So you can make it darker or a little warmer, because warmer tones are usually very good for the eyes. Not only this, you can also change the background color of the website, which is so stunning because you can just use the color that you love or the color that is the most soothing for your eyes. Then you can also change the width. So this is very useful because sometimes while you are researching you have to keep scrolling down and it gets very annoying. So I make it very wide so I don't have to scroll over and over again. Very functional. So overall this extension makes the whole research thing very easy. My next recommendation is Newsfeed Eradicator, and you are going to thank me for this. So if you are someone who has to spend a lot of time on Facebook for work purposes or for study purposes, because I know these days a lot of you guys have to be present on Facebook groups for your studying and work. So what you can do is you can use this Chrome extension, and this will help you to not get lost in the maze of your newsfeed. So this extension just completely blocks your newsfeed away, so you don't get to see anything from your newsfeed. So when you click on the extension, you will get this interface, and you can click on Facebook or also on Twitter if Twitter is something that annoys you, and then refresh your page, and you will see that you can't see your newsfeed anymore. There's just a quotation and that's it. So I think this is super cool because you can now be on Facebook and attend everything that you have to, but you will not be lost in the maze of your news feed. And then you can go back and take it off, and you can also choose to be shown your feed for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and that's all. So I think this extension is very useful. And my final recommendation for this video is the Productivity Owl Chrome extension. So you can see that owl on the lower right hand side corner. So you can turn it on for a particular website, and maybe you want to find some information, but every time you go there you kind of get lost in the maze of so much information. So this Productivity Owl will give you 30 seconds or 60 seconds, you can choose it for yourself, and then the tab will be closed by itself automatically, because the Productivity Owl will fly away. And see, you can see it fly away and it's gone, and now the tab will be closed by itself. So I think this is very, very useful. So that was all for today's video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. By the way, I'm also on Instagram by the name book_junction. You can follow me there and see my content there. And I really hope that you found this video valuable and enjoyed it as well. If you did, then definitely like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.